The AI image generation landscape just changed forever, and 99% of users don't even realize what's happening right now. I've been analyzing the most advanced AI creative system ever deployed, codename Nano Banana, and it's been integrated inside a platform called LovArt AI. This isn't just another image generator. This is a complete creative intelligence system that maintains perfect character consistency across unlimited transformations. I'm going to prove to you that LovArt plus Nano Banana equals the most powerful creative tool ever created, and you have exactly few days to secure unlimited access before this window closes forever. This is Operation Nano Banana. Let's begin. All right, let's actually jump inside LovArt. First, click the link in the description and create your free account. Once you're in, hit New Project on the homepage. That opens up what LovArt calls the Infinite Canvas. Go ahead and give your project a name. Let's call this one Nano Banana. Now, for this demo, I need a test subject. You can upload your own photo, generate a brand new image or video, or even start with one of the built-in templates if you see something you like. But for now, I'm keeping it simple. I'm uploading a photo. Let's say this is you, and you want to snap a picture with a celebrity. Easy fix. Just head over to Google, grab a photo of your favorite celebrity, screenshot it or download it, then drop it right into the LovArt canvas. At this point, you'll see both images side by side, your photo and the celebrity's. Here's what you do. Select both images, and if you want to be extra precise, you can group them together so they're treated as one. Then click to open the chat box and type in a simple command. Use Nano Banana to combine these two photos into one realistic shot of two people, sitting side by side at a modern office desk with laptops, seamless indoor lighting, but don't change the faces. And this is where it gets wild. In just seconds, LovArt uses Nano Banana to merge the two images like you were actually sitting next to that celebrity in real life. No clunky Photoshop, no hours of editing, just one seamless, jaw-dropping result. It feels like pure AI magic, turning your imagination into reality instantly. And that was just the beginning. Now let's take it up a notch and actually change the outfit. Here's how it works. First, open up the chat inside the canvas. Then click on the image you want to edit and type in your command. For this demo, I wrote, using Nano Banana, change the outfit of the man in the sports shirt and put him in a black suit. Do not change his facial features. Hit run, wait just a few seconds, and boom, the sports shirt is gone, replaced with a sharp, realistic black suit. The transformation looks like it was done by a professional editor. What used to take years of Photoshop skills and hours of tedious work is now done in literally seconds with just one line of text. That's the power of LovArt with Nano Banana. All right, now let's push this even further by actually adding something new into the image. I'm going to upload the Reach More logo and place it on a banner right behind the two men in the photo. Here's how you do it. First, upload your logo into the canvas. Now select both the photo and the logo together so LovArt knows what you're working with. Then open up the chat box and type in a simple command. For example, put a standing banner with the Reach More logo behind the men in the photo. Do not change their facial features. Hit run, wait a few seconds, and there it is. LovArt instantly generates a realistic banner in the background with your logo perfectly placed. It blends seamlessly with the scene, like it was part of the original photo shoot. Next, I wanted to fine-tune the logo placement. So I ran the prompt again and told LovArt to place the logo between them in the background and make sure the full logo is clearly visible. And just like that, it worked. Now the Reach More logo pops perfectly, easy to see and easy to read, without blocking the subjects in the photo. But I didn't stop there. I wanted to see if Nano Banana could handle different outfit pieces and props all at once. So I grabbed a Barcelona football kit and a water bottle and gave it this command. Using Nano Banana, make the man in the photo wear the full football kit, jersey, shorts, socks, and football boots, and have him holding the water bottle seconds later. The transformation was complete. He looks fully dressed for match day, holding the bottle like it was always part of the photo. And the cool part is, if you play around with the prompt a little more, you can fine-tune it and make it look even sharper. Okay, here's where things get really exciting with Nano Banana. I took the same two photos and gave it a brand new challenge to generate an image of the two men playing football in a stadium while keeping their outfits and original faces unchanged. A few seconds later, boom, the result looked like an actual action shot from a live match. Same faces, same outfits, but now inside a massive stadium, mid-game. It was incredible, but I didn't stop there. Next, I asked LovArt to design a professional YouTube thumbnail for a World Cup video featuring the same two men with a bold, eye-catching style. The thumbnail came out awesome, but I realized I forgot to ask ask for text. So I ran it again. This time, I told it to create a World Cup YouTube thumbnail with the text World Cup 2026. And just like that, it nailed it. The faces were still consistent, the style popped, and the text made it look like a thumbnail you'd actually want to click. Finally, I decided to go all in and asked Nano Banana to produce a cinematic, movie-style World Cup 2026 banner. The prompt was for a dramatic stadium scene, and the result looked like a Hollywood poster, epic, polished, and ready to promote a blockbuster event. This is where you really see the power of LovArt. It's not just combining images, it's transforming them into totally new creations that look like they belong on YouTube, social media, or even the big screen. LovArt with Nano Banana doesn't just create single images. It delivers integrated, character-consistent scenes at scale. That means your characters look the same across every scene, no matter how many variations you generate. But that's not all. Inside the LovArt canvas, you can build literally anything you can imagine, from branding materials and product designs to character art, UI layouts, and even full-on video generation. It's like having every creative tool rolled into one. And here's the kicker. If you subscribe to LovArt's plan before September 14th, you'll unlock unlimited Nano Banana usage for the entire length of your membership. That means no limits on how far you can push your creativity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next deep dive into game-changing AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.